Most people get this wrong. They think the Liberty BNPL card is just another buy now pay later card with hidden fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's a modern, flexible payment solution offering installment options, spending insights, and budgeting tools to help you manage money smarter. Here's how it works. The Liberty BNPL card allows you to split purchases into smaller payments over time. This is ideal for larger items like electronics, furniture, or home essentials, helping you avoid one-time high expenses. The app tracks your payments, shows upcoming obligations, and sends reminders to avoid late fees. The platform also provides spending insights, so you can see total balances, track purchases, and adjust your payment plan if needed. It's more than a card, it's a financial management tool. The downside? Overuse can lead to fees or interest if payments are missed. It works best for planned or essential purchases, not everyday impulse buying. Tips for responsible use. 1. Use the card only for planned or necessary purchases. 2. Track payments and enable reminders. 3. Keep an emergency fund to reduce dependence on the card. Who benefits most? Users with steady income who occasionally need flexible payments or want to manage large purchases without interest-bearing credit cards. Those with irregular income or repayment difficulties may face higher costs. In conclusion, the Liberty BNPL card in 2026 is flexible, user-friendly, and practical, but only if used wisely. Track spending, plan payments, and treat it as a helpful financial tool. Subscribe for honest reviews and money management tips.